What is up, Sidewise fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here with Jullian's S13 with the NA-T IS300 GE turbo setup, whatever you want to call it. Boosted IS300 engine, boosted GE VVTi, whatever it is. His S13 is looking really, really good. Let me go ahead and flip the camera right now. I will let you know and show you what is going on with the vehicle and where we're at. Last video, we went ahead and got the engine together. We went ahead and got it in the car, I believe. Valve covers just came in. Got a brand new top cover from OEM Toyota. Already went and painted it up. Let me show you how it looks. So I know it looks like a super hot mess right now, but we've already gone ahead and relocated the fuse box into the underside of the headlight. Over here on the corner, we got nothing over here on the side. All done. Already went ahead and put his circuit sport mounts already in. Everything's already all backed up. Got to put some zip ties on some stuff, wire a few small things up. We got clearance for days in here. Running our AEG fan setup, you can see up in here. Got the intercooler stuff all nice and mounted. We go ahead and need to paint that up for him so we can match everything. Brand new wiring harness I just built is already installed. You can tell because of the yellow shrink we put on everything. Everything's nice and labeled. We do make these for all of our vehicles. If this is your first time watching, yeah, you know, here you go. Got our fan hookups down here to run twin fans with dual fan control if we need it. Need to go ahead and put a TPS on. We still need to go ahead and mount this little relay box out of the way. We're going to probably just put a hole and zip tie it over here out of the way. Holes already cut for intercooler piping. Got to weld the IAT in still. We got to hook up all the vacuum lines underneath the intake manifold still that need to be ran. We need to clean the engine bay. We still need to go ahead and hook up our clutch line. That's got a braided clutch line up there. Got our list of stuff up here that we're writing down to go ahead and get everything done how we need to do. We need to go ahead and put my wiring harness into the vehicle and get all this stuff all where it needs to be. We're going to be going ahead and pulling the blower motor out from under the dash so we can go ahead and mount everything how we like to do it against the firewall. We need to drill some holes for the harness to get zip tied to and make it look a little bit cleaner. And we're looking really, really good. So we still need to make things that we're going to end up having to do. Fuel pressure regulator is already mounted up with the sensors in it. We still got to go ahead and get down in here and get our oil filter adapter that you kind of can't see right now. Tighten down and get our oil temp and our oil feed line, everything else all nice and tightened up. Caden's underneath the car right now, getting the drive shaft installed underneath there, and getting all that done. We gotta get the alignment done still, but we're looking really, really good. So we can get all this stuff cleaned up. I'm not sure if this car will go on dyno on Monday or if it'll be the Monday after, but we're trying to push through it. Apparently yesterday, Caden already went ahead and got the shifter stuff already all situated in the car. So still got to put his windows in, his door panels in, battery relocation stuff, everything else too. So let's go ahead and get some of this stuff together. So at the end of the video, you guys can actually see this thing's gonna look like, because that OEM top cover with those wrinkle valve covers just looks super sick. All right, guys, so a lot of stuff, a lot of mess going on. So we got rid of all the fuse box stuff down here. Just went ahead and wired up the fans. So I need to go ahead and tuck all that up. But everything in here is looking really good. Clutch has already been bled. Everything in the trunk is already ran for the fuel pump system. You walk back here and show you real quick. Just put a new battery in the trunk as well. So mind the mess, but everything here back here is hooked up already grounded. Already got the wire for the relay kit. Got to put those in the eyelet and hook his new relocation kit that comes out this way now onto his battery. And that'll make all that done. We'll be cleaning that up later on today. All the Infinity stuff is already ran through the firewall. It's a mess everywhere, so sorry guys, but got this huge mess of stuff we still need to mount on the firewall. I got the BTI already mounted for the dash display, so that's cool, super cool. Everything's already hooked up and good to fire. So it's looking like what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead, gear oil's in. It's looking like what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna try to see if we can get Danny to come over tonight, maybe tomorrow morning early, and get this thing going. Just to kind of reiterate on everything, this is a comp 6865 we have on this. I believe with, these are gonna be the FMS 1000cc injectors that we already have on this thing. Got the Billet Kings Royal intake manifold for the TJZ GE. So got the excess power exhaust manifold on here with a Turbo Smart Hypergate 45 on there as well. Got our downpipe that we already got in there. We're gonna be hooking up to his exhaust. Drive shaft is in. Brand new one piece. I'll go ahead and hop into the car so I can show Jullian that. A whole bunch of aftermarket arms on this thing. Got a whole bunch of everything ready to go. She's looking really, really good. Don't have too much to do left. Hopefully we can get this thing fired up in this video. And then we'll be able to get all the little knick-knack stuff. We still gotta get the alignment done before the car can go home. We still gotta tuck some wiring. So it'll be really, really cool to show you at the end of the video how it all looks at the end, because it's gonna look really, really sweet. I can't wait to get that top cover on there too to show you guys after it's all finished product and wiped down, because this thing is a beauty. You doing in there, Katie's? What are you doing? Do it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Don't need that no more. No, no, no.
No, no, no.
No, oh. Got doo-doo butter in there. Oh, ooh, you're throwing away wild right there. So a little update. Still need to put the window in. The guy that did this had the regulator in wrong, and I'm trying to help my buddy out and get the window back in and everything back together. That side's all back together. Under dash is done. Caden did a super badass job in the back of this thing, just making it look super nice and super clean. Everything's all bolted together, nice and strapped down. Relays to the battery box, everything looks good. We still need to put all of the ECU stuff away, but everything is finally soldered. I gotta figure something out about a shift knob still, but the center console's back together, so that's super awesome. And you guys have not seen the engine yet with the top cover on, but look at that OEM cover, dude. So pretty. Customer just came by. He was like super stoked. Just like such a beauty. The black intake manifold just like totally works with this too. I just love it. So look at that. I mean, how nice does that look? Obviously we got the extension cord and the soldering irons and some other stuff over here on the floor. But yeah, we're gonna get the bumper on right now. Get it all back together. What you doing?
Yeah, glad though, man.
Yeah, glad though. Oh, oh! Oh, a little bit of barbecue in there.
Barbecue.
Barbecue. I definitely gotta say it's pretty cool to see this thing actually be like a car inside again, because this thing was a complete like mess when it got dropped off, and just looks so much better now, dude. So happy for the homie. Alrighty guys, I totally forgot to fire this thing up and show you guys. We're gonna go ahead and end the video with the car starting up and showing you everything works, and the next video will be on the dyno, guys. So let's check it out real quick. Got key on. Everything turns on. Give it a crank. Nice. Look at that. Everything looks nice and good to go. Battery voltage looks great. Runs really good. Woo! Already warmed up, so we'll go ahead and give her a few revs. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This thing is a beauty. We're going to be getting her on dyno today, actually. Today's Monday. Just doing the end of the video for this. I don't want to be too long, and dyno's always a long video. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Keep watching. Dyno's up next. Peace.